Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get unlimited Nintendo Switch codes without you needing to have to pay for it. Just to be clear, this isn't a hack or an exploit. The principal eShop store actually receives real money for the codes you download. Here's how it works. You'll watch video ads or something similar for a short time, and after just a couple of minutes, they'll credit a good amount of money to your Nintendo account, which you can then use for a download code. I got $100 in credits just by watching 4 minutes of video ads on a website, and this method is working worldwide. This tutorial will guide you through signing up and using the service. It's super easy. These advertisement offers for eShop codes started this year. They're completely legit, don't violate any rules, and are even pre-approved in partnership with the main app stores. So if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright. First things first, head over to the website I'm showing you now. There, you can get your hands on practically unlimited eShop codes. You just need to qualify first, but don't worry. It's super easy and quick, taking less than 2 minutes. Just answer a few questions and you're ready to go. Okay, everyone, I hope you found our video useful. This one's for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts who are willing to grab games and other premium content for free. Want me to explore more sites like this? Drop a comment below if you enjoy this kind of content. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe. It makes a big difference for our channel. Have an awesome day and enjoy these freebies.